mining.com.au is coming to you once again from the RIU Explorers Conference underway in Fremantle. Standing next to me is the Director of Renegade Exploration, Rob Kirtlan. Rob, it is a pleasure to see you in the flesh. How are you?
And again.
And again, yes, another conference.
Yeah.
And a busy one for you, no less. You had
Yes.
news out yesterday at your Fireball project, gold-silver project in Nevada.
Yes.
Run me through the details of that.
So very quickly, some really nice, we call them significant gold, silver, yet another prospect that we're working up in our Nevada portfolio, which we're pretty excited about, led by Caisson, of course.
Oh, okay.
I would remind the viewers, Caisson's our lead project, Broken Hills as well, and now we've got Fireball coming up.
So Fireball, that's Fireball, but you've also got another project in Canada, Myschka. What's that one looking like?
It's our primary focus at the moment. We've done probably as much work as we need to do on it with our recent program, which we released to market late last year. So we are now in train to drill it, and of course the reason it's our target is because it's big. All of our neighbours in that area, if anyone wants to take a look at maps, they're all 5 million, 10 million ounce plays. So we're in a big zone. We've got all of the right rocks, and now we just need to drill it. And with a bit of luck, maybe it's the company maker that we think it could be.
Well, speaking of company maker, I love a little bit of show and tell. I know you and I are geology enthusiasts. Where's this beauty come from?
So that's Myschka. So this is the famous sheeted veining. So we've got sheeted veining through there, as well as sediment hosted type stuff. We see not necessarily within this piece of rock, but we see up to 2,000 silver, grams of gold, antimony, bismuth, arsenic, all the signatures that we want to see. But in particular, some of the viewers might understand what the sheeted gold means, because it's part of those reduced intrusive systems, which means it could be very, very big.
Well, I'm certainly going to be keeping my eye out for upcoming news. So what's some of the news flow items we can look for?
I think as we move ahead here, we've sort of got talks going on in the background around funding Myschka. The drilling there is not cheap, as most would know. We want to get that up and running over the sort of next month or so. So to that end, I'm in Canada and the US doing that. Meanwhile, in Cloncurry behind us, we've still got our copper deposit there, which is sort of pre-development, and we're still fiddling around with that with our partner Glencore, and hopefully we can rationalise that. And later in the season, we would like to start work on Broken Hills and Caisson in Nevada, because in particular we think Caisson is again another big system, and it's certainly worthy of more work, secondly drilling. But right now it's all about Myschka.
Well, you've got the right metals in the right rocks in the right location, so I'm very excited to see what comes next. Rob, thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you.